At 11:16 p.m. on a warm August night in 1977, inside a quiet radio observatory in Ohio, a single line of numbers printed onto a computer readout made one astronomer freeze in place and whisper a word that would echo through history. Wow! The Big Ear radio telescope hummed softly in the dark, sweeping the skies like a giant metal ear listening for whispers from across the universe. Most nights were routine, static, background noise, the occasional cosmic hiss. But that night, as Dr. Jerry Eamon sifted through sheets of data, one anomaly leapt off the page. A 72-second burst of radio energy so sharp, so clean, so impossibly precise, it didn't look natural. He circled the sequence, J5, in red ink and wrote the famous note beside it. And with that single mark, the debate began. Word spread fast. A signal from the constellation Sagittarius. No repeat detection, no known satellite, no Earth-based interference. It was everything astronomers dreamed of, and everything skeptics feared. The scientific world split down the middle. Was it a message, a cosmic accident, a glitch, or something far stranger? Researchers combed through every angle. They questioned the telescope, the software, the sky itself. But the mystery only deepened. The signal followed the curve expected of a distant source moving with the rotation of Earth, exactly what you'd expect from something not of this world. And yet, it never happened again. Not before. Not after. One perfect moment of cosmic clarity, then silence. Over the years, explanations piled up. Some argued it was a rogue comet releasing hydrogen gas. Others insisted it had to be a military transmission bouncing off something in orbit. A few held firm that it was a natural phenomenon Earth simply didn't yet understand. And still, tucked in the quiet corners of observatories, there were those who believed, quietly, carefully, that it might have been the closest humanity had ever come to hearing another civilization breathe across the void. Decades passed. Technology advanced. New telescopes listened with sharper ears and wider skies. Yet the wow signal remained stubbornly singular. Like a cosmic knock on a door no one has been able to find again. And maybe that's why it lingers. Not because we can prove what it was, but because we can't. Because every time people look up at the night sky and remember that red circle on a sheet of paper, they feel the echo of that question. Are we alone? A signal that lasted just over a minute became a mystery that has lasted nearly half a century, and a reminder that the universe is vast, unpredictable, and still full of secrets waiting to be heard. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.